Me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I forgot to do an intro. I'm already where I need to be. Got to do an intro for today. I'm off work. Supposed to be going to go get my grandson, but however, his mom is actually going to go get him. Jesus Christ, him. Lord. So me and Walter decided to get something to eat. We're at Juicy Seafood, and this is what I got. I'll show y'all what I got in a minute in the montage. Y'all see it in the montage. So yeah, we're here and we're about to eat, and then after that, I guess I gotta go grocery shopping, so we'll probably go grocery shopping together. And then after we go grocery shopping, I do want to change out the tempered glass in my fire pit so I can do the fire pit, because I'm ready for a fire pit, whatever. Sit and drink coffee and sit at the fire pit. So yeah, we will be doing that today. I know I keep saying we're gonna do that. We gonna do that today. If we don't do that today, I'm gonna be so upset. But anyway, say hi to Walter.
Hello.
Why are you looking like that?
Peace.
Okay, y'all, I'm finna go so we can eat.
Did you get your drink, honey? And your water? Will you water here too?
Are you done doing what you're doing?
No, honey. I'm always doing something I'm supposed to be doing. Look what you're supposed to be doing, honey. I got a man. Want to go get the man?
Kiss
No,
her.
you can't. No, you can't. Can't film that.
What?
Can't film that. Plug it in. Come look at this.
Really, Walter?
Yes.
How many things is lit up?
You got 50% power right now.
Oh, I'm gone. Oh, I'm ashamed to show y'all what this garage look like.
I wasn't mean to be doing that.
Look at this shit. Look at this.
This wasn't mean to be doing.
This is a mess, an atrocity.
You hear me? This wasn't mean to be doing that. Trying to go out of town every week.
I'm not doing this. I didn't stack this shit. I'm not doing this shit.
It's your shit. That's what I'm talking about, dude. I handling business.
Well, if you feel so passionate about it, get started. Yeah, you will get started since you're so passionate about it.
Get started this weekend.
Yeah, get started this weekend. I'm be holding somebody's drink, Kool-Aid style.
You get the mail?
You told me not to go get the mail. Make up your mind.
I'm getting the mail. And they're gonna talk to you.
That's another reason why I ain't going. Look at him and all his shit right here. All that's his.
No, it ain't. This ain't mine.
I hear. No, that ain't lying.
Okay, so you're telling me this is mine.
Yep.
The bathing suit is mine.
Yep.
The female bathing suit.
Yep.
This pink stuff is yours. Next, you know, go in. All this is yours.
That is not mine.
Yes, it is, Carlene. Oh, yeah. That's yours too. All this stuff is yours. You know, I ain't no Rams fan. Look, all that's yours.
He just want to pick up stuff that he know that is mine. Does not prove that. Let me show y'all all his shit.
Show me.
All this.
No, it ain't. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. You know, gonna got no damn teddy bear.
That's Bailey's. Your dog murderer.
That belongs to you again.
It don't belong to me. This belongs to Bailey. This belongs to Bailey, and Bailey is no longer here because of you. Do what? You don't slam no door. You don't slam no door. You don't slam no door.
Come, get your stuff right here. Come. Come get your stuff. Film right there. Show all your stuff you gotta get. That's fine.
Yep, I'm on you. I'm on that ass. Yeah, I'm on that ass.
That's what you need to do anyway.
Get the mail. You just shut up and get the mail. What's that, honey?
Oh, mail.
Your ashy ankles. Ashy neck. Father, you need a trim.
Here you go.
What's this?
All right.
This.
Look over there. You're on the camera, Miss Mary.
Say hi, grandmother. So this is grandmother, y'all. This is the state that she is in. If anybody is worried about grandmother, this is her. Say hi, grandmother. Look at the fire through the window. Look at the fire through the window. You just barely see it. Grandmother, say hey. What's over here? Are you eating anything?
No. Oh, cooking.
I always forgot to go to the grocery store. You just gonna go on another day? Huh?
Yeah, oh, that's gonna bother me.
Yeah, you actually. I forgot to go out right now.